Hello dear students, how are you all? I will hope you all are fine. So dear students, I am Bhupender Verma, your science teacher. So today we are going to start second part of chapter Acid, Base and Salts of class 10th Science. So in this part we will discuss about bases and its chemical reactions. So let's begin this part. What are bases? First is define bases and what are bases. In general, the substances which are bitter in taste and soapy to touch are called bases. जनरली वो सब्सटेंस जो स्वाद में कड़वे और टच करने पर सोप जैसे होते हैं दे आर कॉल्ड बेसिस लाइक सोप्स डिटर्जेंट्स आर bitter in taste and they are bases. Definition of the basis on the basis of Arrhenius concept. According to Arrhenius, bases are those substances which gives hydroxyl ion or say hydroxide ion easily when dissolved in water are called bases. वो सब्सटेंस जो वाटर में डिजोल्व करने पे ईजिली हाइड्रोक्साइड या हाइड्रोक्सिल आयन रिलीज करते हैं दे आर कॉल्ड bases. For example, sodium hydroxide when dissolved in water to gives sodium ion and hydroxyl ion or say hydroxide ion are known as bases. Now properties of bases. They are bitter in taste, स्वाद में कड़वे होते हैं. They are soapy to touch, टच करने पर वो चिकने होते हैं. They are sparingly soluble in water, that means not completely soluble in water. They turns red litmus to blue. They turns red to blue. वो रेड को ब्लू में कन्वर्ट करते हैं एंड एसिड कन्वर्ट ब्लू टू रेड. They react with metals to release hydrogen gas. They react with metals to give hydrogen gas like acids. They turns universal pH paper indicator from green to blue. They turns universal pH paper indicator from green to blue. Strong bases are corrosive in nature. Strong bases are corrosive in nature. Strong जो base हैं वो क्या होते हैं corrosive होते हैं नेचर में और किसी भी मेटल को corrode कर सकते हैं या किसी भी नॉन मेटेलिक पार्ट को भी corrode कर देते हैं. Water soluble bases are called alkalis. This is important point. Water soluble bases are called alkalis. What are alkalis? The water soluble bases are called alkalis like sodium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide are alkalis in nature. They act as electrolyte in solution. They are also conduct electricity in aqueous state or molten state, so they are work as electrolyte in solution. They neutralize the solution containing H ions. ये H आयन कंटेनिंग जो सॉल्यूशन है उसको OH आयन प्रोवाइड करके न्यूट्रलाइज कर देंगे एंड फॉर्म द वाटर. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, दे डिज़ोल्व फैटी और ऑयली सब्सटेंस इन इट. वो अपने साथ फैटी और ऑयली सब्सटेंस को डिज़ोल्व कर सकते हैं. नाउ क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ बेसिस एंड टाइप्स ऑफ बेसिस. फर्स्ट इज ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ देयर स्ट्रेंथ बेसिस आर क्लासिफाइड एज. On the basis of strength classified as strong and weak bases. First is strong bases. The bases which completely dissociate into ions in aqueous solution are called strong bases. जब इन्हें वाटर में डिज़ोल्व किया जाता है तो एक्वस स्टेट में पूरी तरह से डिज़ोल्व हो जाते हैं और पूरी तरह से डिसोसिएट हो जाते हैं, ब्रेक डाउन हो जाते हैं. दे आर कॉल्ड स्ट्रॉन्ग बेसिस एंड वी ऑल्सो से दे आर कम्प्लीटली डिज़ोल्व इन वाटर. For example, sodium hydroxide plus water gives sodium ion and hydroxyl ion. Potassium hydroxide, water, potassium ion and hydroxyl ion. Weak bases. The bases which do not completely dissociate or partly dissociate into ions in aqueous solution are called weak base. It's just opposite of strong base. Partly dissociate or sparingly soluble. For example, ammonium hydroxide NH4OH plus water release ammonium ions and hydroxyl ion. Now on basis of concentration, bases are classified as basis of concentration as bases are classified as dilute bases or concentrated bases. What are dilute bases? The bases which have the very low concentration of alkali in aqueous solution are called dilute bases. वो बेस जिनकी कंसंट्रेशन अल्कली सॉल्यूशन में कम होती है दे आर कॉल्ड dilute bases. Concentrated bases, the bases which have the high concentration of alkali in aqueous solution are called concentrated bases. जिसमें सोल्यूट की परसेंटेज यानी बेस की परसेंटेज ज़्यादा हो. For example, 1 mole of sodium hydroxide in 1 liter of water is dilute as compared to 20 mole of sodium hydroxide dissolved in 1 liter of water. I hope students you have to clear up to here. Next is uses of bases. Sodium hydroxide is used in manufacture of soap, paper and synthetic fiber like rayon. Calcium hydroxide is used in manufacture of bleaching powder. Calcium hydroxide is used in formation of bleaching powder when we pass the chlorine gas with the help inside the lime water or bleaching powder, calcium hydroxide, it's formed calcium oxychloride bleaching powder. Calcium hydroxide is also used to clean sulfur dioxide which is caused by exhaust that is found in the power plants and factories. जो न्यूक्लियर पावर प्लांट्स और जो फैक्ट्रीज हैं उनमें सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड जो वेस्ट निकलता है वो कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड के साथ रिएक्ट करके कैल्शियम सल्फेट बना लेता है और इसी तरह से ये पोल्यूटेंट रिड्यूस हो जाता है. Magnesium hydroxide is used as an antacid to neutralize the excess of acid in stomach. Magnesium hydroxide is used as an antacid to neutralize the excess of acid in stomach. जो मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड है उसका यूज़ किया जाता है किसको यूज़ करने के लिए, एंटासिड के फॉर्म में यूज़ किया जाता है टू न्यूट्रलाइज द एक्सेस ऑफ एसिड इन स्टमक, स्टमक में एसिडिटी को दूर करने के लिए. सोडियम कार्बोनेट इज यूज्ड फॉर सॉफ्टनिंग ऑफ हार्ड वाटर. सोडियम कार्बोनेट का यूज़ किया जाता है हार्डनेस वाटर को रिमूव करने के लिए. सोडियम हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट इज यूज्ड एज बेकिंग सोडा. इसका यूज़ किया जाता है एज अ बेकिंग सोडा इन बेकिंग इंडस्ट्री. Ammonium hydroxide NH4OH. NH4OH is used to remove the grease and stains from cloth. Okay students, note some important points. When we dissolve the strong bases like sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, lithium hydroxide into water cause the highly exothermic reaction. So the question rises here, what do all bases have common? So we all know that the bases contain hydroxyl ion. When we dissolve bases in water, they dissociate into cations or hydroxyl ion. All bases have common is hydroxyl ion. All bases release hydroxyl ion when they are dissolved in water. This is common in all bases. सारे bases में common क्या है? They release hydroxyl ion when they are dissolved in water. Now chemical properties of bases. Strong bases react with metal to gives hydrogen gas. Strong bases react with metals to gives hydrogen gas. So only strong bases with metal gives hydrogen gas. For example, metal plus base like zinc plus sodium hydroxide form sodium zincate and hydrogen gas. Aluminum plus sodium hydroxide, sodium aluminate and hydrogen gas. Bases react with non-metallic oxide to give salt and water. जो बेसिस हैं नॉन मेटेलिक ऑक्साइड के साथ रिएक्ट करके क्या बनाते हैं, सोल्ट एंड वाटर, एंड इट इज़ काइंड ऑफ न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन बिकॉज नॉन मेटेलिक ऑक्साइड्स आर एसिडिक इन नेचर. दे रिएक्ट विद बेस टू फॉर्म salt and water. They are acidic in nature, so they gives a type of neutralization reaction. Base plus non-metallic oxides release salt plus water. For example, calcium hydroxide plus carbon dioxide gives calcium carbonate and water. Carbon dioxide is a non-metallic oxide, release salt and water. Sodium hydroxide, sulfur trioxide form sodium sulfate and water. Next is neutralization reaction. The reaction in which acid react with base to give salt and water is called neutralization reaction. In neutralization reaction, hydrogen ion of acid and hydroxyl ion from base combine together to form water. hydrogen ion from acid and hydroxyl ion from base combine together to form water. See the reaction, acid plus base, like hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide, they release sodium chloride and water. Now see the mechanism of this reaction. When hydrochloric acid dissolve in water, release chlorine and hydrogen ion. Sodium hydroxide dissolve in water, release sodium ion and hydroxyl ion. From here they form water and they both combine form NaCl. In neutralization reaction, either ions from acids and bases combine together to form salt, and from acid anion, from base cations. Base में से cations आता है और acid में से anion. Now next concept is concept of indicators. Concept of indicators. What are indicators? The substances which are used to indicate the given solution is acidic or basic is called indicator. जो given solution में acidic और basic character को show करे, they are called as indicator. Types of indicators. First is natural indicator. The natural substances which gives the change in color with acid and base to indicate them. जो कलर चेंज देते हैं वो नेचुरल सब्सटेंस जो कलर चेंज देते हैं एसिड और बेस के कांटेक्ट में आने पे उन्हें इंडिकेट करते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल लिटमस सॉल्यूशन. इट इज obtained from a plant named lichen. It is obtained from a plant named lichen. And original color of litmus solution is blue. When it come in contact of acid, convert blue to red, in base red to blue, and in salt no color change. Turmeric. Second is turmeric or haldi. It is obtained to dissolve turmeric into water. Original color yellow, in acid no color change, in base reddish orange, in salt no color change. China rose solution. It is prepared from China rose petals dissolved in lukewarm water. Original color of solution is light pink in color, in acid dark pink or magenta color, in base light pink to green, in salt no color change. Next is olfactory indicators, that means gives the smell change. The indicators which change the smell when they comes in contact of acid and bases are called olfactory indicators. The indicators which change the smell when they comes in contact of acid and bases are called olfactory indicators. कौन से इंडिकेटर होते हैं? Olfactory indicators. For example, onion, clove oil, vanilla extract are the example of these indicators. Onion, clove oil and vanilla extract do not change the smell or odor when they comes in contact of acid. Acid के contact आने पे वो smell change नहीं करते हैं. They change the smell in comes in contact of base. So we indicate using the olfactory indicator the given solution is acidic or basic. Next is synthetic indicator. The man-made indicators are known as synthetic indicators. First is phenolphthalein. Original color of phenolphthalein is colorless, in acid no color change, colorless, in base colorless to pink, and in salts colorless. Methyl orange. Original color orange, in acid pink, in acid gives pink color, in base gives yellow color, in salt or neutral solution gives orange color. Methyl red solution. Original color red, in acid gives yellow, in base gives red, in salt solution red in color. I hope students you understand the above concept of indicators and bases. Thank you and have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe, save lives.